encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? Hi there, who's watching? Thanks for clicking play. I sure appreciate it. I hope you get some kind of motivation or just to catch up and listen to me chat. First of all, Queen G is resting in the next room watching some TV before we get her up into her wheelchair. It's been dramatically insane what we've endured the last month with her health scares. Cleaning our home was like the last thing on my mind. But Thanksgiving is coming up and we're expecting our first house guest to arrive in a couple of days. So it's time to man up, as they say, and get to cleaning. I'm tuning in on Leona's live about preparing for your Thanksgiving dinner over at her channel, Ebony Ivy Time with Leona Dooley. She and Denise Jordan have great holiday prep videos. They are so helpful to learn from, and I enjoy listening to everybody chime in on her live. I really didn't know where to begin for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I just grabbed the camera this morning, knowing that I needed some of my own motivation and hoping that you will too. I'm going to be real here. It's been a couple of months since I dusted any of my blinds. And well, because I know we will be most gathered in this room with our house guests, I don't want them to look dusty as the sunshine peeks in. Do you know what I mean? I usually keep up with dusting these, but I've been in survival mode so much that these have been really neglected. Actually, everything in my home has been neglected, and that's okay. That's why I love doing these weekly Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, and I've been missing posting. Speaking of, welcome back to another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It's a part of an open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our Team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. You'll want to check out the playlist as our Tiny Tidy team has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. If you'd like to join the open collab, make sure to contact Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. Nurse is here. Sure hope I pressed record. Okay, I did. That's too funny. YouTuber problems. Ooh, this is a good workout. What Tiny Tidy are you doing today? Are you all ready for the holidays? Are you having any house guesting with you? Let me know in the comments. I sure hope you are maintaining a balance in life during the holidays. It's so important. Trust me. For those asking, what kind of hand vacuum is she using? It's the Shark's Wand Vac. I really like it. I usually take off the screens outside and give them a good rinse by the water hose and then let them dry for an hour. But then, I don't have that amount of time today, so this will have to do. Funny thing, later this day, I saw a neighbor who had a guy from Window Genie. He had this portable rinsing washing machine he was using on their yard. Dang, I might go check out their website from the windows upstairs. Just being curious and all. I love having our blinds open to get a lovely view of our garden and yard. I've always been a person who loves nature, especially trees. I have a thing about enjoying beautiful, different types of trees. My mom always knows when I'm just staring at a particular beauty of a tree. She gets me. But I don't like to rake up the leaves, and I hate dusting all the pollen they spread. Oh, especially after you wash your car and then go outside to see a layer of that yellow pollen on it. Frustrating, right? Always trying to amuse myself. If you watch my weekly vlogs, you'll easily see that about me. Right now, our next door neighbors are moving in. I hear them shuffling around outside with their children playing. All I keep thinking about is if they see me cleaning my outside windows, they'll probably think I'm some kind of neat freak. I mean, funny how some of my fellow YouTuber friends who don't do any cleaning videos or decluttering videos, they refer to my content as she likes to clean a lot. But in reality, you and I know the truth. Oh yeah, that looks way better. I can actually see. Now I just have to put the screen blinds, and then now I just have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the kitchen 5. Yeah. All right, time to check in with you. In reality, how often do you clean your windows? Let's see in the comments. This should be real interesting. I mean, be real honest. Do you clean them once a year, 4 times a year, once a month, once a week? Do you yourself clean them? Do you never clean them? I usually do my kitchen window here every other month, no lie. Only because this is my favorite view and most standing in front of.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams.
I bought some fall leaf string of lights for decor. I found them on Amazon. I have one hanging here that lights up in the evening, one around our fireplace, one in Mom's room, and another in our entryway. I love how they give a sense of warmth. I didn't go all out decorating for fall. I mean, I still have some decor on the table to place out. I already see people decorating for Christmas. I just can't. I want to stay and be present in this moment of year. So, Thanksgiving and fall decor until we run out of turkey and leftovers. Then, bring on Christmas. I'm hanging in there lately. We're doing good. Thanks for all the prayers, messages, comments, even mail. I haven't forgotten about decluttering, meal planning, and such. I have summer tank tops, shorts, and a bunch of items to declutter. I spot them out practically every day, thinking, wait, Dee, you should film that when you can. I'm so behind on editing my vlogs and cooking video. Hey, before I forget, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell to be notified. I post weekly, I promise. I have a weekly vlog if you want to check it out. And I'm just living day to day right now, sometimes hour by hour. But let me tell you, it feels great to be back and see you here again. love my family. I love my family. Alright, I vacuum cleaned the floor. Now I'm just going to do some heavy traffic spot cleaning. I'm cheating. I only have time to shampoo the high traffic areas of our carpet right now. I already sprayed all the tough spots. Now it's time to make it look all right once again. Don't want folks to see all our spills and grime, especially those on YouTube. But I'll be that one person, as they tell you, we live here in our home. Hey, kudos to those who do this monthly. Yeah, I'm not that person. I bust out the carpet cleaner if, 1, if there are company arriving to stay or we host a get-together. 2, if it's really looking bad, even for us, okay? See? Real moment. Captured when my husband spilled a drink while shutting the door. Now, let's see if this can disappear, shall we? This was when I got inspired to create a TikTok video. You never know when I get a creative idea. I filmed it along with the Little Annie's theme song, It's a Hard Knock Life. And I had, I love my family, I love my family. I just want them to feel comfortable in a clean environment. Bonus, I knew I had to do this eventually, and after today, I won't have to worry about it for a while. Fingers crossed. And I know some of you will tell me, don't worry about what others think they're visiting you. I agree, but let's face it, when you yourself can't stand the way it looks, it can kind of get depressing, and it's something that holds you captive until you attack it, and then be done with it. Oh yeah. Dusted. Now onto the vacuuming of the stairs. Little by little, I should be done cleaning the whole house by Turkey Day. I hope you enjoyed this Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Please make sure to watch the other videos in the playlist. If you don't see me soon again, have a wonderful Thanksgiving.